Okay, hi. Today we're going to be unboxing the special edition of Grand Theft Auto 5 for the PlayStation 3. Now, I've been waiting for this game for a while, as with a lot of other people, so let's get to it. Okay, so now, open it, and we've got our steelbook. Yep, nice steelbook, in the game. We have also a blueprint map of Los Santos itself. Okay. What? This is the special edition pack. As you can see, just download it. Comes with a special ability boost, bonus outfits with tattoos, sunblade trials, and you fly the atomic blimp, and additional weapons. Okay, so now let's unbox the steelbook itself. You can see it's a nice, very nice quality. Okay, let's open it. There's the disc itself. There's Grand Theft Auto 5. Just, quick manual. Here is another map of Los Santos. As you can see, it is a really giant map. So yeah. Okay, that's it. Okay, we are now done unboxing the special edition of Grand Theft Auto 5. Enjoy your day.